Okay, bagong lahat mga boss, promotion muna tayo dahil syempre nasa likodan ko ngayon ang Vigan at kabilang nga ang Vigan sa top 14 para sa 7 New Wonder Cities of the World. At tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating pagboto. I-text lang ang Vigan sa 29290-777 para mapabilang tayo sa New 7 Wonder Cities of the World. Okay, at syempre magpapatuloy na tayo sa ating panayam. Good news po sa lahat ng mga gusto tumakbo sa lahat ng fun run dahil merong isang fun run na magaganap ngayong Sabado at bukod sa tatakbo kayo, matututo pa kayo regarding sa disaster preparedness and awareness. Kaya naman makakasama natin ngayong umaga ang Deputy Brigade Commander ng 7th Marine Brigade. Walang iba kundi si Colonel Rodelyn T. Manzano. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jules, and good morning sa lahat ng nanonood sa Good Morning Boss.
Okay, ma'am. So firstly, this is organized by the Philippine Navy Reservists. So before we go with the fun run, ano po ba yung pinakamandato nitong Philippine Navy Reservists para mas alam ng mga boss natin?
Okay. We know, well, we have a law, the RA 7077, the reservist law, where it is mandated that that our country has a reserve force to complement our regulars during disasters and disasters, whether man-made or natural disasters, and to help out in the economy.
Alright.
Yes.
Okay, so we have this Lifesavers Run ngayong Sabado na yan. So ano po ba yung layunin natin dito? Tsaka this is the second one, so kailan po yung pinakauna?
Yung pinakauna was like 2 years ago. It was started by our then commander of the Naval Reserve Command and now our flag officer in command of the Philippine Navy, Jesus Similan. So he started it, and now this is the second one.
Okay.
Yes, and it's an advocacy for physical fitness and also para maging aware ang ating bayan and our people on disaster preparedness and awareness.
Okay. Ano po bang meron 2 years ago kaya po naging focus nyo itong disaster preparedness?
Yeah, well, it started because of all the calamities that has been happening to our country. And so we would just like to show the capabilities of the Philippine Navy and the reservists on how, we help out during such disasters. So during the run, we will also have a static display and display of our vehicles, our equipments used during disasters.
Okay. So sa ganung paraan po matututo yung mga runners natin.
Oh,
so habang
yes.
tumatakbo sila, naka-display lahat ng mga equipment
Naka-display
ninyo.
doon, oo.
Okay.
And it's going to be a fun run. So our people, sa lahat ng nakikinig sa atin, they can come over and join the run.
Okay. So ma'am, sino yung mga pwedeng mag-participate dito?
Oh, everyone can join.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kahit sino talaga?
Kahit sino talaga.
Meron po
They can come over.
registration fee do?
Wala.
Wala rin.
These are free. This is going to be free.
Okay.
Yeah. So just come over and join. Bring the whole family.
Okay. Since it's a Saturday, so pwede
It's
po
a
sila
Saturday
mag-bonding
morning. Yeah, mag-bonding na
Okay,
rin.
so ma'am, ano ba yung specific details itong fun run?
Okay, so for those who wants to join the fun run, just come over to the Bonifacio Naval Station, the Philippine Marine Corps headquarters, the grandstand, and register. It's going to start, registration starts at 4:30 in the morning, and the run starts at 5 o'clock.
Okay, so as early as 4:30 dapat
4:30,
nasa Fort
nandun
Bonifacio na
sa
sila.
Fort Bonifacio.
Okay, so this is before we end, ma'am, this is the second one, yung Lifesavers Run. So, annually na po ba natin ito gagawin or every 2 years pa rin po?
Well, we plan to do it annually already. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so far, ma'am, kamusta naman po yung promotion natin? Kasi syempre gusto natin marami sumali dito.
Oh,
Kasi
yes.
maganda po yung advocacy nyo eh. Bukod sa physical fitness, matututo pa sila regarding disaster preparedness.
Right now, we already have about 3,000 who signed up to run. So, we plan sana madagdagan pa.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so, from 3,000, currently 3,000 na po yung mga registered runners nila. Sana lahat ng mga families natin at lahat ng mga boss natin sumali dito ngayong Sabado. So, ma'am, before we end our interview, please invite all of our mga boss natin para syempre sumali dito sa fun run na to.
Okay. Everybody's invited to join our Lifesavers Fun Run this Saturday, October 18, at the Bonifacio Naval Station in Fort Bonifacio. Please come and join us. This is all for free.
Okay, so sana na-inspire yung mga boss natin na sumali ngayong Sabado. Muli nakasama natin ang Deputy Brigade Commander ng 7th Marine Brigade. Walang iba kundi si Colonel Rodeline T. Manzano. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jules.
Okay.